Okay, Kyosho versus Traxxas Fork Deck 3.0. Okay, somebody say go.
1, 2, 4, go.
Whoa! You kind of knocked me there. One lap. Gotta watch that manhole. So he says I can't catch up with him, so I might as well knock him out. Again, same friggin' spot. Second lap. Oh my God, the cones are flying everywhere behind me. I had to slow down a little bit on that one, so I didn't want to screw that one up. And here is the third lap. Traxxas for the win. Oh, and here comes the third lap for these guys. They're coming neck to neck. Oh, Camaro wins it.